So I told you before, I can't buy every single thing, but I bought this when Chad came out and showed it to me because I think it's brilliant and it's so ridiculously affordable. It's an absolute no-brainer. It's called the garden kneeler. Now, if you just use it to kneel around the garden to plant your plants, it would be fantastic, but I bought it to wash my car tires, because when I wash the tires, I'm always like this, and it's a really uncomfortable position. Now I got a little stool that it's lightweight, and I can move from tire to tire. I can clean. You can use it for painting baseboards. It's brilliant. Chad Allen is here, back again, third time you and I have had this. You know why? People love it.
Well, you know, we launched it 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
I don't know if I told you, it's already a customer pick.
It is.
We just launched it 2 Fridays ago.
What I love is you did it for 20 bucks. Yes. So it's not hard. And people are like, you know what, for 20 bucks, I'll save my knees, I'll save my back. Tell us all about this thing. It's brilliant.
The garden kneeler, 2-in-1. You see there, she's sitting on it. You can kneel on it. She's getting her garden bed. She's trimming her trees. Here's the thing. We are officially in spring. Guy and I are in St. Petersburg, Florida. It's well over 80 degrees already at this time in the morning. So if you are in an area where your spring is coming, now is the time to grab this because, Guy, we only get 1 order a year, and this is it. This is the garden kneeler. We sell it every year, but this version is the 2020 version. This is how it's going to come to you, completely flat packed, just like this. Yep. And when I go to open it up, you're going to notice here, I'm going to flip it all the way over. You just lift up each of the gigantic, oversized handlebars,
Locks.
And it becomes, oh, you heard it lock, right? You hear it click into place. There's that EVA foam, that really durable, soft foam for your knees or your behind. And then this is the powder-coated steel, springs on the edges for the easy closing. But let me take it down to the ground so I can actually show you how it works. I'm gonna kneel on it first because that's how most people use it. So you basically put it right to the ground. If I have trouble getting to the ground, I can grab the handlebars before I get all the way down. And that gives me the assist to get down just like that. So once I'm down to the ground, and I'm planting, I'm doing my stuff and everything like that, and I want to get back up, I grab the oversized handlebars. I use that to give me the assist to get back up.
It's so smart.
It's so simple. And then I can just flip it over, come around, and have a nice cushy seat.
At the oversized. It's at the perfect height.
Yes.
For doing like little low, like low tasks. You know what I mean? Like I said, wash it. I don't know if you've ever washed the rims on your car. It's a pain in the you-know-what. It is so hard to do, and they don't do it at the car wash properly, so I always do it myself. But it's at that level, which is right here. You know, even if you're playing with your kids, maybe you're a grandparent, you're like, I want to be down on their level, but I can't get down on my knees anymore. You could use this indoors, outdoors, when you're playing with the children or your grandchildren. It's ideal. I use it as a seat, but I haven't even started, you know, most of my gardening I do on my deck, so I'm not out there on my knees a lot. But when I go out and weed and stuff like that, you can utilize it for this. The reason I bought it, honestly, is I was like, that's an instant fix. And I was like, for $20, are you kidding me? I mean, it's a no-brainer. There's nothing to put together. It came right out of the box. I opened it up. You know, I showed it to Danny.
Fully assembled.
He's out there using it to wash his car tires. I'm like, wait, you got it before me. He's like, Dad, this is really smart.
Car tires, talk about under the sink, fixing a pipe under your kitchen sink or something like that, cleaning the grout in your kitchen. As we all know, a lot of us have to be in our homes when we're not out for essential needs. We're all cleaning our house. I was organizing the closet. I was folding things and putting them in a drawer. You can clean your grout, your kitchen, your backsplash. Under the sink, organizing your cleaning supplies, things like that. The ground is really far away when you're, you know, 5'10", 5'11", 6 foot tall. And I know sometimes when you get down on the ground, it's even scarier to get back up. With the 2-in-1 garden kneeler, it comes to you fully assembled. There's nothing to do. And when the season's over, you see what she just did there? She hung it up. How does that work though? You just click on the side just like this.
Yeah, you pull it, there's a little spring and then it folds.
That's right, and
It's
then
so
it just
smart.
folds up.
It's easy. So I wanted to let everybody know that this will hold up to 220 pounds. I'm a big guy. Where are you? I'm a big guy, and I'm on this, and I'm perfectly fine, all right? So if you want to get one of these and you're in that 200-pound level or less, you're going to be perfectly fine on this. But it's comfortable on your backside. It's comfortable on your knees, and you know, especially your knees, you don't realize that the toll that it takes on your knees if you are down there working in your garden or playing on the floor with your kids. That's collective over the years. It starts to wear down. You need to save your knees a little bit. For a $20 bill, It is so worthwhile. Not only that, when you're not using it, it folds in half so you can store it anywhere. You can put it in the car if you want to take it somewhere. You're going to be doing something somewhere. You're like, I may need that thing. It's ideal. We've had thousands of these spoken for in just a couple of airings. And it's funny because it takes, we watch, it's like 2 minutes, all of a sudden it's like, hey, $20, I gotta get that dang thing. I could use that for stuff in the garage. Maybe I gotta paint the baseboards, or maybe you clean your own house and you're like, man, trying to get around the commode, or trying to get underneath it to clean out under cabinets. Now you got a way to do it. And Chad, like I said, indoors, outdoors, doesn't matter.
Yeah, and you see what's happened here. I'm able to sit, I'm able to kneel, everything in between. Our options are a couple of things just like this. We have these foam pads. You can buy about a 4-pack of them on any sort of website, and they're not EVA. And there's no handlebars, and there's nothing to grab onto, nothing to assist. You can buy knee pads, but you have to strap them on.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
Okay, those are fine. Well, they're fine for a few minutes, but that's not what's magic. What's magic is being able to get back up and down assisted.
Yeah. Show 'em again.
Because this is really difficult for a lot of people, myself included. If I'm cleaning the ground, or I'm doing things like that, or even planting or gardening vegetables or flowers, either or, and I want to get back up, it's sometimes hard.
Sure.
So you grab the oversized handlebars, you use your arm strength to get up off the ground. You're saving your back, you're saving your hips, you're saving your knees. And when I want to get down, I can grab them sort of halfway, and then I can assist myself easily to get down on the ground.
Hey, by the way, if you have any conditions with your knees or back or anything, please make sure you talk to somebody before you get on anything. We just want people to be careful and
100%,
be safe.
yeah.
If you've had knee operations, all that stuff, make sure you check with your doctor, make sure you should be doing that kind of stuff, because we don't want you to get hurt when you're in the garden anyway. But this is one of those things going to help you out, going to be your best friend out there. It's perfectly made for the jobs that it does, and all of us could use a little bit of help now and then. And as I said, even if you just want to, even if it could be a holiday morning, could be Christmas morning, and you want to sit near the tree and there's no seat over there and you want to be near the kids, you can bring it over, use it as a seat, flip it over on your knees to get under the tree. I mean, honestly, it gives you access to so many areas normally you would hurt yourself trying to get to. I love this thing. It's $20. It's already a customer pick. We can't keep it in stock.
We just launched it.
Chad is amazing.
2 Fridays ago. 2 Fridays ago. Already 5-star reviews, making it a customer pick, which is a big deal for us. We love
you know
that.
what? It's value. It's a great value. I mean, you could have charged $30 or $40 for this, and people would still probably say, okay. But to get it for $20, nobody's getting beat up here. It's a great, great item that really will help you out. If you want to pick it up, it's 691-498. That is the item number for you. It is on 5 Flex, like everything in our garden shows. You will absolutely love this. Mr. Chad Allen, thank you, buddy.
Hey, thanks,
Good job again. I love this item. And I love all you guys for shopping with us. Thanks so much. We hope we were able to give you a little escape and enjoy your gardens. Stick around, because I know Michelle is coming up next. She's got a great show. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Now That's Clever with me, 7 a.m. We'll see you then. Take care.